Thank you for your interest in Mercury SMS. Today we'll cover setup and configuration. Once Mercury SMS is installed, the setup and configuration page will be automatically included. I will cover all of these steps except for step number 2, configure a force.com site, which will be covered in its own video as it requires a lot of detail. Once each of these steps are complete, you will see a green check mark next to the step, which allows you to move on to the next step. The first step will be to request a MessageMedia free trial. You don't need to do this step if you already have a live account with MessageMedia. In this case, you can go ahead and proceed to step number 2. In order to request your free trial account from MessageMedia, please ensure that all the fields are populated and then click the Request Trial button. Once that's been done, you'll see the status change. You will shortly receive your account details in an email. Please allow up to 1 hour for a trial account to be generated. Step number 2 is broken down into its own video called Configure a Force.com site. Moving on to step number 3, we will be connecting your MessageMedia account. Whether you are using a live account or a trial account, your account details will need to be added in step 3. If you are having trouble locating your REST username and REST password, contact MessageMedia via email at support@messagemedia.com. Step 4, you will need to generate a token. In step 5, we'll generate a webhook URL. This step is required so that inbound SMS and MMS messages are processed. From the secure web address pick list, select the force.com site that was created in step 2. Then generate a webhook URL. In the Select Webhook pick list, select New Webhook, or if you've already got an existing webhook URL registered with MessageMedia, you can select to overwrite that one. Once you have made your selection, click Save Webhook. For step 6, a default record owner will need to be assigned. Start by typing the username for that user, and the available usernames will display. Step 7 is a reminder to add Mercury SMS components and fields to the page layouts within your org. Lastly, we will activate the outbound scheduler in step 8. This will process scheduled SMS messages every 15 minutes. You are now ready to send SMS messages. For further configuration, check out the training video titled Other Configuration. Thank you.